What's up?
Is this a camera?
Hey, don't get near me. Don't get near me.
Why?
Because I said, what's your deal?
Turn the camera on.
No.
Fine. I'll walk to the officer and ask him to turn the camera on.
Oh, go ahead.
Is there anything I can do about this who's trying to film me for defending you guys?
No, he's in public.
But he's in public, he can film all he wants.
He can film all he wants without my consent?
Yup.
Yeah, I am getting educated. I'm asking you questions.
Yeah.
I'm trying to talk to a police officer.
Go ahead. I'm gonna document that. Check the internet in a couple days, bro.
Oh, well, I'll check
Just walk away.
fucking Yeah, cool.
Idiot. He's trying to start fights with other people over there too. Like, I was documenting that and he gets all pissed off.
But you just made the guy famous.
Yeah.
Light bright. Wow.
Is it pretty bright? Yeah, sorry, dude. How you doing, man?
I got your sticker on my bucket every day.
What's up?
He's keeping peace.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
Slo County Observer, man. That's what came from.
He's walking around the
Your nuts was a little weak, dude.
Yeah.
Firmer? Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. All right. Hey, have a good night, man.
You too, man. Yeah. Send some cock later. I hope you enjoy it.
Go what? Are you still creating a scene? Are you still creating a scene?
I'm acknowledging the fact that you were being a jackass and following me around.
I'm not. I was about to leave right now, and then you just started talking shit again.
I hope you don't charge by the pound, you fat ass.
Hey,
We're gonna. Hey man, it's all same story.
pay money for
Who
that?
gives a f? Looks like a f***ing cowboy. There we go, buddy. Hey, fat ass. Get out here. Hey, fatty.
You think
Shut
what
up.
he does bothers
Who's he
me?
talking
What you're
to?
doing bothers me?
You're the one upset, bro. We're having a great time.
I'm not upset.
You can't even tell where he's looking. He's like so
Why are we mad right
smashed.
Why are we mad right
I'm not upset.
Hey,
I'm not either.
You sound upset.
I'm not mad. Take that off.
I'm not upset.
no.
Not upset?
No, I don't want to hug. In fact,
You want a nux?
I'm not gonna touch you. If you want to hug
All right, cool.
Hey, if
All right, man. That's like my handshake right there. The nux.
do you handshake?
Nah, cause germs and shit. You know. No offense.
you are
Hey, fatty.
too.
Hey, you want to see something? Shut the f***.
You're looking mad cute though. Yo, that 5 gallon is looking fine as f.
Hey, fatty.
You know what the sad thing is? You know what the sad thing? The really
What are you doing,
Tell me
dude?
what the sad thing is.
this? You're about it. It only takes 20 views to feel that shit.
It's so, I mean, honestly, 15 if they're like really
I'm
good.
pregnant.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Hey, watch this. You want to see it? Hey. I'm pregnant.
Back up from this guy.
Yeah, now the f*** you back up.
Don't touch my shit, dude.
Okay, you want to see something?
You're not prison.
Dude, I need it.
It's more like this is
That's all it is, bro.
He's a fake ass cowboy.
What do you do with that fake mullet? you fat
So you are mad. You are mad. Why would you lie? I'm fat.
Yo, guys, he's not mad. He's not mad. He's not mad.
I'm making
He's
an
not
offer.
mad.
I'm making an offer. How about this? How about you go tell those cops over there?
I don't want to talk to the cops. I don't have to. Okay, exactly. I'm gonna stand here. I mean, you can go talk to the cops.
I'm giving you an offer.
The cops protect him, bro. The cops protect him. Yeah, what's your offer? I mean, I don't want to talk to the cops.
You can ask those guys.
I'm not gonna talk to the cops. Hey, if I was 5'5", I'm in a public space. Hey.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
Or what? You're gonna go type some code on your computer, you piece of shit?
No, bro. If you touch me, bro.
Touch me, dude.
Shit.
Hey, let's hug it up. Dude,
Get the f off me, dude.
I'm like 5'6", and it's like it's a battle, bro.
I was talking to 4 dudes taller than me. I'm mad as fuck.
You guys think you scared me?
Dude,
Yes, bro. You're the one that's mad.
no one here is
Stop.
scare you, bro.
Stop. Everett, shut the. Yes. He's this man a beer. Yes. This man a fucking beer. Give him a beer. No, I want you. You shut the. You shut the.
I see it. I know.
That guy.
Yeah, that guy.
He gave his ass.
Yeah.
Oh, is that right? I'm right here, dude.
It's the way the
Diego, you don't have your mace, man. Chill.
I don't need mace.
I'm just kidding, man.
That's crazy, bro. Welcome to white privilege, dude. San Luis Obispo, baby.
San Luis Obispo.
Joe, you mullet.
America, baby.
No, I'm not a pussy.
Yeah, Slo County Observer on YouTube. Yeah. Don't touch my dude.
Yo, dude, what the f***
Is your
You can't
deal?
touch that, bro. You cannot touch that.
You're gonna fight now.
No, bro. He's not fighting.
Don't touch my shit, dude. What is your deal?
You cannot touch that. You cannot touch that.
Can I ask him to take it off?
You can ask him. He can say no. You can ask whatever the f*** you want, but you can say no. Go ahead. Public. You're public. Yo, what's your YouTube, bro?
Slo County Observer on YouTube. SLO County Observer. Money?
Yeah, like
Yeah, I get money. Yeah.
Here's a hat. You want to wear the hat? You can wear it too. You want? Here you go. You want to wear it?
Honestly, I feel like everyone's pretty calm. I'm not gonna
I
lie.
have lice. You want to keep running
Oh, I know,
your
right?
goddamn mouth? I'll
Yo,
go
you
to
found the
jail.
spot, bro.
I know.
For the night. Just to
Crazy on. I've been watching
You are
it.
a
It's been crazy.
big pussy.
Yo, swing,
Both these
bro.
guys.
Yo, swing, pussy.
Hit me one time.
Swing, pussy.
I dare you. I'll go to jail. For the
Go to
night.
jail,
I
swing,
don't care.
pussy.
No one's touched
You think
anyone.
you're gonna prove something?
Yo, swing, pussy.
Mr. America.
Yeah, I know.
Yo,
This guy.
he's not saying shit, bro. He's not saying shit. Yo, swing.
Go walk off.
Yeah, bro.
Bitch.
Piece of shit.
You're talking mad shit, but you're not gonna swing, bro.
Wait, are you still
I'm
not
talking
mad?
mad shit.
Are you still not
Yeah.
mad?
What the f are you doing here?
Buddy,
You
I'm
long
saying
haired
fucking mad shit.
piece of shit mother.
That's all you, long hair. That's all you got, bro. Homie, I'm not gonna insult you. You got enough.
You guys have been sitting here instigating a fight for a half hour.
You're the one getting
You got it.
Yes, you're right. I am getting mad because you guys are a bunch of tool bag motherfuckers.
No balls.
I have plenty of balls. I mean, wait. I'll fight all five of you at the same time.
I know,
Fight all
right?
five of you at one time.
Hey, I got a pretty jaw. Take that shit.
Go ahead.
Right here.
Might not be tomorrow.
This guy here was
Right
already
here.
like the
Pretty
guy you
jaw.
got almost
I'm
done,
so. I don't know.
Oh, really?
and the other guy.
Really?
The guy
Really not. But
Take it right.
These two
Yo,
were almost duking it out over here.
Really?
Yeah.
you just watch
I watched
Yo,
them. I thought they
take
were
me
going
right
to go
here.
at it, but they never did.
Oh, wow.
I don't think they
Yo,
won.
Stick around, man.
I'm sticking around.
All right.
I'm not gonna hit
I'll
you.
try to block.
So I can talk to you,
you're not
talk to you afterwards after this whole
I'm not
shit.
gonna be the
I'll tell you
aggressor,
what.
but I will.
Yeah.
Say what I know.
Give me the rundown.
So you are the aggressor. You can't finish unless you start. What? I'm sorry. You said you would finish it. You just said
Okay,
you wouldn't.
you're telling me you can't finish
Dude,
this
I'm
start?
slow.
You've
It's
seen a
crazy.
goddamn
Yeah, it
race.
is, right?
Are you live streaming?
No,
That's
we're
not
not.
true at all.
Oh, you should have been live streaming.
I know. Yeah, this would have been. Yeah, this would have been good.
This is better than
Well, no, that it would have got demonetized just because of all that. Like
You
immediately.
actually go to school. You
It would have got views. Yeah.
Jerry Springer
You
died
look like
today,
35.
You look like you're 12 and have the attention span of a
what's
goddamn
funny is-
squirrel.
Hey, yo, that's
Goddamn right. Hey,
Poison.
age is just a number. Age is just a number, baby.
You're right.
18.
You're right. It's a number. And guess what?
And guess what?
Age doesn't
You're a
matter.
predator.
I'm a predator. I'm a predator.
Yo,
You think I want to
no matter what they say,
I've ever heard?
bro, it's fucking fire. It's
I don't know. I think
fucking
I'm
great.
like
I love the blue on the blue and the little gray.
Dave was, I can't even use the material. It's, the language is
Hey,
so...
break it up, fellas. Break it up. Let's all go our separate ways.
They've been talking all night, dude. This ain't
See?
going nowhere.
Yeah.
It ain't going nowhere. I promise
He keeps getting in his face though. He keeps starting shit once they walk
were doing
away.
it. Him and the other guy, they were like
Yeah.
face to face. I thought they were going to fight, but
Yeah.
they never did.
Yeah. If you want.
Again, I got my butt. Oh my God. What's going to happen? I don't think that guy's going to do it. Somebody might do something to him, though.
I missed it.
You get that?
Yeah, I think
Did you
so.
get it or no? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Hey,
I was
check it out.
talking to him.
100%.
No, not right now.
Because if so, that is assault. Grabbing someone's property is
This
assault.
guy's about to get.
Got you.
No, like it literally is.
I'm not about to get what?
Yeah, buddy.
Dude, you just
Yeah,
grabbed
buddy.
someone's property? That is
Look at that
literally
face.
assault. In
Look at that
California-
face.
Assault?
You
in,
just assaulted
in
me.
California.
Did you go to law school?
And grab.
Are you in law school?
In California?
Are you in
It's-
law school?
it's
Answer the
called
goddamn
unwanted
question. Are you an
touching.
attorney?
It's called common sense.
Are you an attorney?
Why don't you
If you
try it?
grab
Are you in
someone's-
law school?
If you grab someone's property,
It's called unwanted touching.
Go sleep it off, dude.
Unwanted touching
not
is considered
drunk.
battery.
dude, you're definitely
okay,
drunk,
dude.
bro.
Let go of me.
Yo, you just hang onto that pole, bro.
He's not drunk.
Stop.
He says he's not drunk, man. Gee.
No, don't. Do not touch the camera. Do not
Don't
touch
touch
the
me,
camera,
dude.
bro. Do
Don't
not
touch me, man.
No, I'm not telling you that.
Why do you keep grabbing my shit, man?
Because I don't want to be on camera.
Well, get away from me then. That's your best course of action.
No expectation of privacy and
How you gonna sue me? How you gonna sue me? He doesn't know my name either.
That means
Look at you.
I don't care. He doesn't know who I
it doesn't
am.
matter if you don't care, bro.
Stop!
You got no right to. You got no respect in the privacy and
Can you
public.
guys both
Yo, hey, don't touch me.
It's your buddy, dude. This guy keeps starting shit when they walk away. You keep talking.
Your boy.
You keep talking. You can easily walk away. No,
followed us? You
no one followed you. No one followed you.
walk away.
Go that way.
Walk away. Walk away.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Go over there.
Follow you. You're following us, dog.
Go over there.
Walk the away.
Go over there.
Walk away. Yeah, that's what I.
You follow me.
I'm not following you. Homie, stand right here.
You step in my direction. You're an idiot.
All right, buddy. Walk away.
I'm not. No.
buddy.
Hey,
You're not my buddy.
It's funny. The police know what's going on too. They're aware.
They got it. Let it go. Hey. I know it's hard in the south, but like,
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, dude, trust me.
This right here is what's called 415.
Do you see that
Creating a
blinding
disturbance.
light? That right there's a camera. Whatever. No. I hear you, but listen to me. Whatever you do is gonna be on camera, bro. And you do not want to do whatever you want to do.
Okay, here.
No, just walk away, bro. Okay, well,
I believe it.
That's something. I don't know
Yeah.
what that is, but that's something for sure.
Dang, is that the thumbnail or what?
What's his name?
That's a thumbnail, dude. Fuck.
Shut your mouth. They don't need to know my name. They don't need to know your name either.
Did he say it?
He said it so many times, bro.
This is like Benny
The
Hill,
whole
dude.
crowd is gone at
Wow.
this point. It's just this guy, bro. Like,
Yeah,
this is crazy, dude.
Those are a bunch of jackasses.
This is the most comical
And yet,
thing
we're the
ever.
ones
it
that
really
are standing
is.
here,
It's-
and you're
it's-
it is. Yeah.
They're a bunch of good
You guys
people.
follow me from there
Hey,
to there
all
to there.
Yo,
these people
hey,
are good
Guys
people.
are
Awesome,
If he
dude.
walks away right now, we're gonna stay right here.
Okay. It's on camera.
Then
All
you're gonna
these
follow me
people are good
around the
people.
block and film me some more. Like
See,
a real
you just keep
asshole?
going. You can't stop, man. You
All
can't.
these people here
Bye.
are good
All right, bye.
This is my
They're
brother.
not-
Daryl.
all
these
That's
people
my
are good
brother,
people.
Daryl.
Bye. You guys can leave too. Just like you're giving me the choice to leave, you can leave too. You're filming me.
Exactly. Listen to your friend, dude.
Yo, your friend who's drunker than you is
I'm not
smarter
drunk.
than you.
He's
Oh, dude.
well then.
Sweet baby girl.
Well then, this is
Neither one of you guys
all wrong, dude.
Oh my god.
If you're not drunk, there's no excuse.
Dude, there's no excuse.
There's
So
no
true.
excuse for this behavior unless you're drunk, dude.
I'm not drunk.
Well, then that's
what?
sad. If this is
Some
just
guys-
if this is you sober, god damn, dude.
You ever heard of a honest purpose to really believe?
He's calling backup or what?
I'm not calling backup.
Boys, pull the Rams up. We need the 350s out.
Oh no. Like I could walk away, but I don't want to.
Well,
Like, I can
gonna
leave
fucking
and be
put
done
you-
with
Yeah.
it. Like, today, not today.
I'm gonna
It's
stand here.
Thursday. I'm fighting.
Yeah.
It's only racist if you're white.
Right?
Dude, I didn't touch your hat.
I'm asking nicely.
See that?
Yo, I see your hat.
Oh, okay. No, I get it. Yeah. I mean, no offense, but you know. Yeah, no. I don't really know.
Where is
Yeah.
the dudes just trying to put
What?
you in the face? Where's the hat?
What happened?
Where's the hat?
The hat?
Right.
Nobody has the hat, bro. This is the only guy with the hat out here.
Yeah. That's a pretty crip hat.
Dude, I have no idea. Well, it's because the camera. They don't get it, you know. So
Nobody has a hat out here but this guy.
yeah, I don't understand.
was trying to
Don't be. Don't.
This guy right here, stop touching me, dude.
Hey, chill, bro. Nobody has a hat out here but one guy.
You got the full system.
Yeah.
Nobody has a hat
shit
but
like this
one
happen.
person.
All the time.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, where you
I
at?
have 3 right now.
Hey, I'm just sitting over here.
Yeah. Let's go.
I was playing music tonight. I was watching you guys.
Oh, okay. This guy's pulling up.
I'm just waiting for the wrong person to show up, though. Because they're not going to do anything, but somebody else might do.
You're right.
There's somebody laying in the street out here.
I know.
It's got to be because Jerry Springer died today.
This shit's hilarious. Talking to him like a dog.
Here's a little heads up for y'all. If you want to get some other video, the cops.
Hold on. Whoa.
Yeah. That must be somebody that knows you. I think that's somebody that knows you.
Hey, you with the camera.
What?
Dylan, I got this. Come here.
You don't want to be on this film.
I don't give a f
Where's
about
my
the camera.
goddamn cowboy hat?
Where's that?
Yeah.
I'll break it again.
Dude, you're going to get sued, man.
I don't care.
You're
I
going to
don't
get
have
sued.
anything in my name. I'll break it. Get that thing out of my face.
No expectation of privacy in public, dude.
I don't care about the camera.
You hit me right in the nuts, man.
Hey, can you call the cops? Can someone call the cops? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. This guy just broke my. This guy broke my. I got it. I got the license plate.
You know what, dude? Stop filming and just let me.
Hey, this guy just broke all my man.
I don't know what the hell's going on here.
You're just taking him away. He just committed a crime, battery, and grand theft, vandalism, and he's just getting away. Cops are on the way. I already got your license plate. I got video of this guy doing it.
Hey, go ahead.
Dickhead. I'm sorry. You grab my phone. I'm not even in this, dog.
You have this guy's phone?
In this, dog. No, but you grab my hand out of nowhere, dog. Dude, you, dog.
And this guy wasn't even here when his hat got stolen. Whoever stole his hat.
Hey,
This guy gets real brave and when his dad or whatever comes in. Idiot.
Dude, you're going to get sued. 9BRL 352.
I got it. Hey, you got the cop? Where's the guy with?
Dude hit me right in the nuts when he hit your.
I know you got a video.
Did you already call the cops or no?
I didn't.
You didn't? Okay, for sure.
My bad.
No, it's all
I
good.
don't want to get involved with it.
I'll find
I don't
him.
wanna get involved with it, honestly, but
I'll find him.
If you guys, I know you got a video, but
Yeah,
if you need
I got the
another
full video.
He's got plenty of footage.
I got the full video.
That's cool, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck that guy. That guy grabbed my phone out of. I wasn't even a part of it, and that guy fucking got my phone.
He broke my dude.
That's part of your stuff, dude.
Yeah.
I'll look around. Battery. There's a battery and a.
Fuck, I don't know what that battery goes to.
I don't know. It's your stuff, I'm sure. It wasn't there before.
Oh.